Hi guys, so today I'll be reviewing this product right here. It's the Pro Conceal HD Concealer by the brand Elegance. So let's get started with the review of the product. So firstly, let us talk about what concealer actually does. So concealer is basically used to hide any sort of hyperpigmentation or any sort of mark that you have in your face, like pimple mark or birthmark, like anything that you have in your face, it will hide it. So now let us get started with the review of this product. So this product does what a concealer should do. It hides away each and every scar that you have in your face. I am actually in the shade medium beige, and it's a perfect shade for me. Like hyperpigmentation is a big problem with me. Like I have hyperpigmentation around here and dark circles and certain marks in my face. This concealer actually works as an elixir for me. It vanishes each and every sort of hyperpigmentation or marks that I have in my face. It has this high coverage, yet it is not at all drying. Like leave it in your skin for 5 minutes, and even after 5 minutes it will blend into your skin. So that's a really great feature about it. If you're talking about features, one more cool feature that is with this concealer is this brush applicator over here. So it makes the application of this concealer quite easy, and this is a really cool feature. I really like this concealer. If you're looking for any concealer, I'll highly recommend you this one. They have a great shade range, like around 30 shades, so you will find your shade for sure. It retails for around 695 rupees. I know it's a bit expensive, but this product is totally worth it. Like you invest in makeup like once and it will last you, I guess, nearly like 6 months, even if you're using it on a daily basis. So yeah, it's a really good concealer. If you are looking for one, go ahead and buy this one. So that was my review for it. Thank you.